And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a panel portrait in Photoshop. Let's open a new image. You can find that via the description link. Copy it by pressing Ctrl J. We will work with the copy and have the original backup. Now we'll create a new layer, call it BG for background, and make it white with the paint bucket tool. Now activate the rectangle tool. We will open a new layer for that and drag a rectangle. The color doesn't really play a role, but I made it black so that we can see it properly on the white background. Now make the copy of our image visible once again, right click and create clipping mask. Now it will only show in our rectangle. Click on the rectangle layer, right click. We are going to add a drop shadow to the rectangle. You can play around with the opacity a little bit. Increase the size. We want to add a stroke as well. Make sure that inside is selected as a position. We'll make it white. You can increase or decrease the size here as well. I like 20 pixels. It's fine for this image. When you're done, click on OK. Now press Ctrl J and we'll copy our rectangle layer. Activate the Move tool and move the second rectangle to the side. Press Ctrl T and you can transform it a little bit. Once again, press Ctrl J, move the third rectangle to the side, press Ctrl T and transform it. We will do that a couple of times more. If you want to adjust the position of the rectangles, you can always go back to the different layers and reposition them. So now we're done. But we have to create more copies of our original image. And we will go down to our backup original, press Ctrl J, reposition the new copy, right click and create clipping mask. And we will do that a couple of times more for each and every rectangle. When you're done, click on your first layer and the last rectangle layer while holding Shift and then group it by pressing Ctrl G. Now we can move the whole group around, center it properly. If you want to center it, just press Ctrl A to select everything, have the Move tool activated, and then you can use these menu buttons. You can even resize it by pressing Ctrl T. If you want to reposition the image, it's a bit trickier. You have to reposition every single copy, like so. So it takes a bit more time to do that. So best practice is to make sure that you have found a perfect position before you create all of these clipping masks. This is the basic process. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.